Hi, welcome to our IDQ Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about the image quality plots in IDQ Pro. Image quality plots calculate the no reference image quality score for the image using several methods. The range of the quality score is from 0 to 100. A smaller score indicates better quality. It can calculate the quality of the images as a function of the wavelength. So to start, you'll want to load an image. The quality score of the image is located in the text box under the image, right here. Now you can go to Image Statistics, go to Image Quality, and select from one of three options. Once you select an option, you can visualize the image quality as a function across the entire z-axis, band channel wavelength. You can see that at the ends, the image quality is much higher, meaning that it's less quality, and that's most likely because of noise. So you can see that from wavelengths about 1200 to 1700, the image quality is good. It's still at 41, so there are other ways to possibly improve it. I can show you this option. And you can see with this algorithm, the image quality is very good. For more information about the algorithms and references, please visit idcubes.com/documentation.